So the next one we want to talk about is CryptoTrader. And CryptoTrader is on all major exchanges. There's no software installation. They've got a strategies marketplace. And then they also have backtesting. So the cons about it is the monthly fees, and it's based off Bitcoin pricing. So if Bitcoin continues to increase like it has been, it costs you more and more per month. And there's too many plans in my opinion. The features, it has automated trading bots in the cloud. It is supported by all major Bitcoin exchanges. Has the strategies marketplace like I talked about, and then backtesting for trading strategies. And then they also have instant email alerts and SMS notifications to notify you when you've been purchased, or when you purchase, or when you sell. All major exchanges, like I talked about, and most of these anymore are really starting to add everything because there's been a shift in the top exchanges, which we'll talk about here in a little bit. There's 5 plans like we talked about, and you can see the current prices are $10.50 to $525. That's based off what today's price of Bitcoin is. And then the big differences in those are just the trading account limits. And I'd give that about 4 stars because it is handy for a beginner, but there are fees.